Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here, with your Day 1 Fire Weather Outlook. We have a risk for isolated dry thunderstorms today that encompasses east, central Nevada, most of Utah, far southeastern Idaho, western Wyoming, and south central Montana. Dry thunderstorms are thunder and lightning. Dry thunderstorms are thunder and lightning that occur without precipitation. The air is so dry that the precipitation evaporates before reaching the ground. Okay? That's the concept of a dry thunderstorm. Nothing's hitting the ground because it's evaporating. But whenever you have dry thunderstorms, well, it's just lightning and thunder with no precipitation, and if lightning hits the ground, it can cause a fire, and the fire to spread very quickly. Okay? So, whenever you have dry lightning, it can hit the ground and it can start a fire. So, yeah. Anyway, in synopsis, a strong ridge of high pressure will remain in place over much of the west today and tonight. Beneath the ridge, dry conditions are expected with near-record high temperatures. Additionally, monsoon moisture will move northward along the western edge of the ridge, supporting shower and thunderstorm chances across portions of the west. Okay? So, that's your Day 1 Fire Weather Outlook. So, remain safe and vigilant in these areas. Okay? Remain vigilant in these areas, and if I were you, I would gather supplies immediately in case you need to evacuate on a moment's notice, because fires can suddenly start. Alright? Grab supplies such as food, water, clothing, toiletries, a flashlight, medical supplies, extra batteries, a phone chargers, and the battery-powered radio for your journey, and try to map out your evacuation plan in the event that you need to evacuate on a moment's notice, because dry lightning can start a fire, and fire can spread very quickly. Okay? So just be aware of that. So, and also, do not throw cigarettes on the ground. I repeat, do not throw cigarettes on the ground, even if they're not lit. Whether or not they're lit, you are not supposed to throw them. You are not supposed to throw them on the ground, because 1, that's littering, and 2, it can cause a fire, as one little spark can ignite a fire, and it can spread very quickly. And before you throw your cigarette out, before you throw your cigarette out, make sure it's fully out before you throw it in the trash. Otherwise, it'll cause the trash can to set on fire too. And please avoid outdoor burning, as again, just one little spark can cause a fire. So, remain vigilant and safe in these areas, and I will have my Day 1 severe weather outlook very soon, where I'll be filling in for SPC convective outlooks. And just letting everybody know, I will not have my Day 2 fire weather outlook and my Day 2 severe weather outlook. I'm not going to have the Day 2 on both severe and fire, because I start classes today and I'll be exhausted when I get home tonight. So, anyway, and SPC convective outlooks will not be able to fill in for me today, since his sister stole his iPad charger. So, anyway, stay safe today, and again, my Day 1 outlook for severe weather will come out very soon, where I'll be filling in for SPC convective outlooks. Take care.